So here we go again. It's been a little while since my last video. I have been out painting, but I've generally been painting some pretty poor pieces. Basically all comes down to failing to prepare, and that is why these pieces came out pretty rubbish. You are going to see some little snapshots right here of said pieces, so you can see how bad they are.
Like something out of the Bronx.
Yeah, exactly.
Your scheme.
So there were definitely some positives to take from these two pieces. They could have been much better if I actually planned pieces properly, but the first piece was a freestyle and the second piece was, yeah, just not great all round, but I like the colours of the second one, they kind of worked. But anyway, on to the next piece where I'm going to put more effort in. I'm going to prepare much better, and then hopefully the piece will come out better as well. So for this wall, I didn't exactly prepare that well, but I did put more effort in than previous. I selected some colours that I think will work well together, and I knocked out a couple of different sketches which I could use as a rough guide. The only problem being is I turned up to the wall to find some piece that I didn't exactly want to paint over because of a couple of different reasons. I didn't show them, or I won't be showing them in this video, but yeah, I didn't want to take them out, so I was left with this scrappy bit of wall on a corner. Which, yeah, is what it is. So I just did what I did, and you'll see the results coming up now.
Easy now. Easy. Easy now. Easy.
Right, so that is the end of this video. I really enjoyed painting that previous piece. I put more effort into kind of selecting colours and actually like organising things before I went painting. I did a couple of sketches prior to painting that piece, so that kind of helped. I'm not going to discuss where I'm going in the future with painting pieces because I seem to change my mind. I have an idea where I want to go with things after I paint the latest piece, but by the time I come around to paint the next piece, my mind has changed, my mood has changed, my thoughts have changed. So yeah, just trying to enjoy what I paint because that's what it's all about for me. Just trying to get away from my stressful Monday to Friday job that I have. I've also got other things that are going on with my house and replacing a roof which is leaking, which is not cheap, put it that way. So me and my partner are having to kind of deal with that as well. So yeah, all about being an adult here, isn't it, basically, and dealing with shit. But anyway, I'm not going to go on anymore. Please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, tell me the issues you may have with painting pieces and any obstacles you may come across, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.